Introducing a assembly project. Today our customer sent us their motor along with a CSF-20 Harmonic Reducer. Watch as we bring these components together with precision and care to deliver top-notch performance. First, we apply specialized grease to both the inner and outer walls of the flex spline to ensure optimal lubrication. Now we further secure the flex spline and make fine adjustments to ensure the two components are perfectly concentric. Next, apply thread locker to the ends of the screws and tighten the flex spline with the screws. Here we further tighten the screws to enhance reliability. Now we apply grease evenly to the outer rim of the flex spline to ensure smooth, frictionless operation. Likewise, apply grease evenly to the inner wall of the circular spline as well, and then precisely fit the flex spline with the circular spline, ensuring they are perfectly concentric. Secure both parts together with bolts and tighten the screws. Here we tighten the screws in a diagonal sequence, ensuring an even and balanced fastening. Now we need to accurately place the wave generator into the flex spline and test the fit between the flex spline and circular spline to ensure it is perfect. After the fit is correct, tighten the remaining screws. Now put in the O-ring seal to prevent dust and impurities from entering. Apply grease evenly on the flexible bearing. Check the installation position of the wave generator on the motor shaft to ensure that, once installed, its surface is 0 to 1 millimeter lower than the flex spline's surface. Next we install the motor and the adapter flange, which serves to connect the motor to the harmonic reducer, and secure it with screws. Now install the wave generator according to the previously measured distance. Recheck the height multiple times, make fine adjustments as needed. After the height is checked, use set screws to secure it to the motor shaft. Resecure the O-ring to prevent it from coming loose, and check the customer's motor is rotating properly. Carefully install the wave generator with the flex spline. We must align them precisely to ensure they are concentric. Finally, tighten the adapter flange to the harmonic reducer with screws. Now the assembly is done. That's all. Thank you for watching. Sito. Expend intelligence.